all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surabhi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Lodha Group. I would like to introduce Mr. Nishit Mirani, Vice President Sales, and Mr. Hemant Hanvi, DGM Sales. From PropTiger, we are joined by Mr. Nitin Gautam, Regional Head. Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, Lodha Group is a well-known brand in Indian property market, recognized for creating some of the best residential and commercial landmarks across the country. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Lodha and Mr. Gautam to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Over to you, Mr. Mirani.
Hello everyone and welcome to this webinar. Thank you Surabhi for the introduction. So I am from Lodha Group. I head the business for Upper Thane, which is based in Thane city. So just to give a very brief introduction about Lodha. Lodha Group is a very well-known developer across India. We are the largest and the biggest developer in terms of revenue. A majority of our products, our projects are based in Mumbai. Close to 70-80% of our sites are based in Mumbai. But we also have projects in the city of Pune, in the city of Hyderabad. In fact, we also have two ongoing premium developments in the city of London in UK. Last year we have done an annual turn of 8,500 crores, which is by far the biggest revenue across India for any real estate organization. As far as our business in Mumbai is concerned, currently we hold close to about 25% market share in Mumbai. And if you look at last 2 months, since the country has gone into lockdown mode due to the virus situation, Lodha continues to enjoy close to 45% market share in the real estate market in Mumbai, and we're doing great business for last 2 months. I think as we go and proceed in this presentation, we'll tell you how and why we are doing such great business in Mumbai. So over to you, Surabhi.
Mr. Gautam.
Yeah, hi. Present PropTiger in this webinar. PropTiger as an organization was established and it's a part of the Elara Technologies Group. In our journey from 2000, we have helped in more than 25,000 odd families in shortlisting the locality, purchasing their residential property. Our services to the clients are not just limited to realization of the property. We also assist the clients in the home loan process. We have a team of the dedicated relationship managers who guide and support the client wing journey from the project selection to the apartment selection to the builder-buyer agreement. And we provide all these services without any cost to the clients. Thank you.
Before we proceed, let me show you why Lodha Upper Thane continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all of you. Team, you cannot hear the audio.
Surabhi, the audio is missing.
Yeah. I hope our viewers have found this video helpful. Let's get to some question answers. Mr. Nishit, tell us how is Upper Thane as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like?
Right. So Upper Thane, as I said, is going to be part of the Thane Municipal Corporation in the future. This project is an integrated township development. So what I mean by integrated township development is that you, apart from your home, you have everything in Upper Thane. So you don't really have to go outside for your daily shopping. So you have retail, you have schools for your children, you have medical and healthcare facilities, you have entertainment zones, and apart from all the basic premium amenities that any township would offer. And the other advantage is that we have plans to build up commercial hubs within Upper Thane in future. So it's going to be like a walk to work kind of a concept. So it's basically a township living concept with all with all the facilities integrated into the township. As far as future of Upper Thane is concerned, I think we have proved, so Lodha has delivered and has a big reputation of delivering great townships. So Lodha Palava city is a very well-known example in the city of Mumbai. And so Upper Thane is going to be developed on similar lines. In fact, it's, with a different location. Obviously, the location is Thane, and with much more premium amenities and much more premium living. So as far as the future, prospects of Upper Thane, it's a great opportunity for buyers to, buy into Upper Thane, because right now it is just about 9 months away from possession. So you get the best of offers, you get the best of, for example, right now we're paying the EMI for consumers till OC. And then once the project is going to, get OC and occupation by March 2021, the prices are going to rise, much higher. In terms of connectivity, etc., we are going to have a lot of videos in the presentation, which we will cover. And so Upper Thane is a great destination in the city of Thane. It's close to 200 plus acres township. So I don't think anybody is even close to us in terms of the scale in Thane.
Can you also tell us about the USPs of Lodha Upper Thane and what do you think will appeal to home buyers?
So USPs are many. So in terms of product, what we have done is we have, various typologies. So we have a one bed, we have 3 different categories of one bed. Similarly, we have 3 different categories in a 2 bed. And we also have a 3 bed, which is starting at just about 90 lakhs onwards. So basically what we are doing is we are catering to every budget, whether it's a 1 bed buyer or it's a, a buyer with 2 bed or, even a 3 bed. So in this kind of location, I can tell you and I can assure you, with an A-grade developer like Lodha, and if you compare ourselves to, great developers in the city of Thane like Hiranandani, Kalpataru, Godrej, Tatas, etc., you will not find a 3-bed typology, with a price tag of 90 lakh rupees onwards. So basically, it's a very attractive product proposition, and we offer large carpet areas at a very reasonable pricing. So that's our product USP. We offer Thane's biggest clubhouse, which is a master clubhouse, which is 50,000 square feet under construction and should be ready by end of this year, which is in December. And as I said earlier, this is a concept of integrated township, integrated living. So this is what today, consumers and buyers are looking at. They want everything under one roof. They want schools for the children. They want medical healthcare facilities. They want malls. They want retail. They want entertainment zones. They want large open spaces, and they want, commercial environment within the township. So all this is available and backed by the reputation of Lodha, which, as I said, is the biggest developer in the country. So this is basically the product USP. Apart from that, if you look at the product itself, 80% of our land is basically the way we have designed Upper Thane. It's 80% open spaces and only 20% construction. So you can get a great air quality. You get a lot of green spaces and good, pure air to breathe.
So in terms of price movement as also inventory movement, how does Upper Thane fare, Mr. Nishit?
So Upper Thane was launched way back in April 2017 when we launched.
Can you speak a little louder, Mr. Mirani?
Is it audible now?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. So Upper Thane was launched in April 2017, when we launched 24 towers, 1 bed, 2 bed and 3 bed. Right now, 3,000 units have already been sold, and this is not data which is just for marketing gimmick. This is data which you can verify on Marera website. 3,000 homes are going to get registered, have been sold and registered in Lodha Upper Thane. So you can say 85% of our phase one inventory is already sold out. We are already in phase two and phase three. So phase one delivery is in 2021, phase two is end of 2021, and phase three is 2022. So in terms of price movement, what we have seen in Upper Thane, the trends we have seen is that 90% of our buyers are end users and 10% of them are investors. So as you know, and all the people who have been in and scouting real estate or for homes, they all know that the real property appreciation actually happens once the possession starts, when people start coming and living, when people start using the facilities and the infrastructure is ready, which is where Upper Thane is very near to in terms of our possession and readiness. So let me give you an example of the kind of product appreciation that Lodha buyers or Lodha consumers have enjoyed. So if you look at Palava city, which was a township which was launched in 2008 by Lodha, a one bed was sold by Lodha at just 10 lakh rupees at the time of launch and pre-launch. So Lodha today, right now Palava has close to 30,000 residents, and we have delivered so many homes there. People are living, everything is ready, and that is right now. And when the same one bed right now, Lodha is selling at 45 lakh rupees. So I'm not trying to give you a very rosy picture, but what I'm trying to tell you is that once the product is ready, visible, people are living there, infrastructure is ready, everything is believable, the product will see huge appreciation. This is, yeah, the product will see a lot of appreciation, and this is an upcoming location under the Thane Municipal Corporation.
Okay. So who is your target audience and which age group is most active when it comes to property buying in this market?
So the typical age group is what we have seen by trend analysis is all age groups between 25 and 40 years of age. As I said earlier, most of our buyers, most of our buyers are end users. Within all the age groups, it is mostly between 25 and 40 years of age. Most of this is service class. Close to 60% of the buyers in terms of ethnicity, 60% of our buyers are Maharashtrians. These are people basically who are living in Thane and they want to upgrade the lifestyle to, as I said, a township, larger carpet area with great amenities for the family to live in. People who live in single towers or very old buildings and they want to upgrade to a better lifestyle. Close to 25% are North Indian Hindus, and 15 to 20% is about people from West, including Gujarat, and other states, and about 10% are South Indians. And so it is a cosmopolitan crowd in terms of ethnicity, but dominated by Maharashtrians who are coming from Thane, Kalyan, Dombivli belt.
So could you also throw some light on the available property options in Lodha Upper Thane?
So as I said, Surbhi, right now we are selling close to about remaining 15% of our inventory in phase one, which we are going to give possession in March 21 onwards. We have close to 25% of available inventory in phase two, and phase three is just got launched, which is 2022 possession. So we have limited inventories available in phase one for one bed, two bed, and three bed. So we have all the options for fitting all the budgets starting from 45 lakh rupees onwards. So that's why it's a great product, because you don't really have to struggle so much if we have a home or we have a product for every wallet or every budget with great offers.
I would request our viewers to drop in their queries in the comment section. We will try to address them in the later half of the webinar. Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team Lodha to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers. Over to you, Team Lodha.
So Lodha, the product has been designed by a renowned architect, Mr. Hafiz Contractor. The landscaping done
Mirani,
by.
your voice is not clear.
Sorry. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, Lodha has been designed by a renowned architect, Mr. Hafiz Contractor. Mr. Hafiz Contractor is very renowned architect. He's done some of the landmark projects in Mumbai, including Hiranandani in Powai and Thane, some of the great commercial places, and he's associated with Lodha Upper Thane. Prabhakar Bhagwat Associates have done the landscaping design for us. So moving on to the next slide. Yeah. So, if Puneet, you can play the video of Apna Ghar. So, before I go into this campaign, explanation.
जिंदगी आजकल थोड़ी थमी थमी सी है। चिंता अपनों की, देश की इकोनॉमी की और देशवासियों की हम सभी महसूस कर रहे हैं, पर इस दौरान कुछ रियलाइज भी हुआ। अहमियत अपने घर की। यहाँ हम सेफ हैं। आपके अपनों के लिए अपना घर होना एक इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप है और इसके साथ एक कोशिश जरूरी है फिर अपना देश बनाने की, आत्मनिर्भर होने की। तो चलिए, अपना घर, अपना देश, आओ मिलकर बनाएं।
Thank you, Puneet. So I will just take 2-3 minutes to explain this campaign of Apna Ghar, Apna Desh. So I think after the lockdown, which started in the month of March, Lodha was trying to figure out what is the key messaging we need to give out to the market as a whole, not only to potential buyers of Lodha, but to the overall market. And we've really taken a very macro level view here. Basically what we have realized, like all of us are now working from home and under lockdown for almost 2.5 months. सब लोग ने हमने ये realize किया कि I think the most important thing in our life right now is our home, right? Because we have been working from home, we have been locked down due to this extraordinary situation जो किसी ने भी expect नहीं किया था. So what we are trying to say here is through this campaign is that the most important thing that you can give to yourself, to your family, is a good home with a good developer, with good amenities, etc., so that you can safeguard your family's safety in these kind of extraordinary crises like the COVID pandemic. So we were thinking about this entire idea of owning your apna ghar, and we launched this campaign on May 15. Just to quote you some numbers, from May 15 till yesterday, we have sold almost 1,000 units of homes in the city of Mumbai, MMR region, under this campaign. So I'll just take you through what exactly we are trying to communicate through this campaign of Apna Ghar and Apna Desh. So अपना घर अपना देश, अपना घर इसलिए ताकि as I said, अपना घर हमारे लिए बहुत ही important है to give a good home for our family, because you can never predict what is going to happen in the future. किसी ने भी predict नहीं किया था कि COVID-19 आ जाएगा and the world will come under the lockdown and we will be stuck in our homes for 2.5 months, and I don't think this is going to end till we find a vaccine. So it is very important that we have our own apna ghar, rather than living in rental homes or at homes where we don't feel safe. And it is very important to give a good home. That is the best thing you can give to your family today, with the complete ecosystem of integrated township with schools, etc., being in under one single roof. So that's why the entire messaging of apna ghar. So what we are trying to promote here is trying to develop an emotional connect and push a messaging to our consumers that आप अपना खुद का घर खरीदिए, अच्छा घर खरीदिए, so that you can live happily with your family. Now the second part of this message is Apna Desh. So what we are trying to, the messaging that we are trying to give through this campaign of Apna Ghar and Apna Desh is basically what, as a lot of you know, that real estate sector is basically the biggest, employment generator in the entire country. Jitna employment, real estate sector, through construction employment, through engineering employment, through marketing, sales, customer care, ये सब में जितने employment, जितने jobs generate होते हैं पूरे इंडिया में, रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर से कोई भी ज्यादा जनरेट नहीं करता है. So just give you an example. Every home that you buy in Upper Thane, you are creating 10 jobs in India per year, or in the city of Mumbai. So that is what we are trying to promote, that you are not only buying a home for your family, but you are also helping your nation, because you are creating 10 jobs for every home that is sold in Lodha Upper Thane. The second thing that what we are trying to say is, as you know, it is today that, you know, everybody knows the situation right now across the world, across the country. We need to help our government to rebuild our economy, to rebuild our infrastructure, to help people who have, seen the difficulty in last 2.5, 3 months, or who will find it difficult in the next 2 or 3 months as well. What we don't realize is that आप जब भी आप घर खरीदते हो लोधा अपर थाने में, आपका जो भी सेल वैल्यू रहता है उसका 25% goes to, you know, contribution towards the government, budgets. So government earns 25% of that through various forms of taxes like stamp duty, registration charges, corporate taxes जो लोधा पे करता है on your home and on the profit that we make. So all these taxes are going to help the government of India, the government of Maharashtra, to rebuild our nation, help our economy, and help our GDP growth, so that India is able to fulfill what our Prime Minister has said, to be a $5 billion economy in the next 5 years, and to be in the top 3 superpowers in the world. So basically, it's going to help you rebuild your nation by contributing to government taxes. The third thing is that every home that you buy in Upper Thane, we are going to contribute 21,000 rupees towards the PM CARES funds. Everybody knows what is PM CARES funds. This has been launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, after the pandemic was broken out. This is to help the various healthcare systems and all the people who are suffering from this pandemic. So every home that you will buy, Lodha will contribute as part of our corporate social responsibility, or CSR responsibility of, we will contribute 21,000 rupees on your behalf towards the PM CARES fund. Mind you, this is not added in your price sheet. This 21,000 rupees is contributed by Lodha. It does not affect your pricing. So this is basically an emotional message that we, this campaign that we launched across digital, like Facebook, digital mediums like Facebook, Google, etc., where we are trying to build an emotional connect with our, with our existing customers as well as with our potential buyers, and giving this very important message of, आप अपना खुद का घर खरीदिए, and with that you can also help your nation and rebuilding the nation. Yeah, Puneet, Hemant, can you take us through the product presentation, how the product looks like and what are the key features?
Sure, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Hemant this side. I'll go through the product presentation. What exactly all the amenities and the features we have in Upper Thane projects. We'll go through the slide one by one. So basically, it's a 200-acre township, and in this 200-acre township, there is more than 80% open space. So you can say there won't be a congestion as far as, or the density of population will be very, very less. As already told by Nishit sir, it is designed by Master Hafiz Contractor, and landscape is totally done by Prabhakar B. Bhagwat Associates. Now, basically, it's a concept of integrated walk to everything development. It means on a daily basis, whatever I need, so you can say a departmental store, a grocery store, or an ATM or a bank, everything, each and everything is there in the project with the, you can say a walking distance of 5 to 10 minutes. So as I've told you that there's a 80% of the open space, you can see It's a 14-acre green space in the total of the developments. It means 14 acres. In this 14 acres, we'll have a football stadium, cricket stadium, then there's a temple, there's a school, a CBSE board curriculum school, then the jogging track, athletic track, everything will be available in that 14 acres open space. You can also say it will be a clubhouse also. It will be a 50,000 square feet clubhouse. As I've told you about the clubhouse, you can go through the same. The clubhouse name is Nest. It is the Nest. It you can say in Thane, in the whole Thane, east or west, it is the biggest clubhouse what we have right now. The name is Nest, and the total carpet area is 50,000 square feet. You can see it, the gymnasium is overspread over 5,800 square feet. Then there's an indoor and outdoor pools. There's a 100-seater auditorium. There's a different crash area for children's. There's a restaurant and 2 banquet halls. There's a multi-purpose court of 3 badminton courts and 1 basketball courts. In indoor games, we have TT, snooker, carom, chess, and other activities. There's a library also. Then there's a health club in this 50,000 square feet clubhouse where there's a steam room, there's a massage room, shower, changing rooms, toilet, and lockers. Okay. Now we talk about what exactly we have. Till now we discussed what we have as far as external amenities are concerned. Now we're going to show you what exactly we have inside the apartments, the 1 BHK, 2 BHK, and 3 BHK, what we have available right now. All the apartments you take from 1 BHK to 3 BHK, it is fully air-conditioned apartments. From each of the apartments, you can take the windows or you can say the living and dining. There's a garden, tree line, avenue views are there. Then there's an optimum space planning. It means as far as passage area is concerned, it is used less than 2 to 3%. It's a good virtual full height windows for maximum light and ventilation. There's a separate additionally utility area. There's a separate wardrobe area in the bedrooms. Then a designer bathrooms finished with luxurious fittings from Jaguar, Kohler, and Eisenberg. Then there's in select residences, let's say talk about 2 BHK or 3 BHK, there are sun decks, and there's a private garden also. You go for a select residences of 2 BHK and 3 BHKs. As I told you, as sir also told, it's an integrated township. Integrated township, I can give you one simple example. Let's say if you're staying with your family, अगर आप अपने family के साथ रह रहे हैं, so family means आप अपने parents के साथ रह रहे हैं, आप अपने children के साथ रह रहे हैं. So let's assume अगर आप अपने parents के साथ रह रहे हैं, तो medical amenities, hospitals project के अंदर है, so वो आपके लिए बहुत ही easy हो जाता है अगर कोई certain emergency आती है तो. अगर आप अपने children के साथ रह रहे हैं, तो सबसे important रहता है उनका education. सो यहाँ पे जैसे पूरा बताया गया है कि यहाँ पे CBSE करिकुलम बोर्ड स्कूल, पूरा स्कूल है अंदर. देन देयर इज अ रिटेल शॉप, यू कैन से डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, ग्रोसरी स्टोर, आपको जो भी बेसिक एमिनिटीज जो चाहिए. अगर आपको पीस ऑफ माइंड चाहिए तो यहाँ पे अलग से सेपरेटली गणेशा टेम्पल बनाया गया. Connectivity, as you told earlier also, let's say talk about Thane. In Thane, there is a central location which is known as Majiwada. So from Majiwada, or we can take a Viviana Mall. From Majiwada Junction, it will take 15 minutes. By road, it will take 15 minutes to reach the Upper Thane location. And from Upper Thane location also, there is a road is bridging up. Its name is MDLR, which is Mankoli Dombivli Link Road. That also going to take 15 minutes. From प्रोजेक्ट से लेके आप 15 मिनट में थाने स्टेशन भी पहुंच सकते हैं, और प्रोजेक्ट से लेके आप 15 मिनट में डोंबिवली स्टेशन भी पहुंच सकते हैं, और इनसाइड डोंबिवली आप इनसाइड टू डोंबिवली प्रीमाइसेस आप पहुंच सकते हैं. प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर बेसिकली क्या क्या आसपास में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट क्या चल रहा है. जनरली क्या रहता है, कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट जो एप्रिसिएशन रहता है या उसका जो डेवलपमेंट रहता है, वो पूरा का पूरा डिपेंडेंट रहता है कि प्रोजेक्ट के आसपास में क्या क्या मेजर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट होने वाले हैं. एज वी टोल्ड, देयर इज अ 200 एकड़ ओपन स्पेस लोडा ने जो 200 एकड़ ओपन स्पेस में हम बना रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली लोडा का भी एक थॉट प्रोसेस होगा कि इन फ्यूचर या ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम क्या क्या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फ्यूचर में डेवलपमेंट आने वाले हैं. अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं तो वी हैव ऑल द, यू कैन से, अगर हम रोड की बात करते हैं, सो फ्रॉम मुंबई नासिक हाईवे फ्रॉम माजीवाड़ा जंक्शन टू प्रोजेक्ट, जैसे 8 लेनिंग का पूरा काम चल रहा है. जो मुंबई नासिक हाईवे आज के डेट में जो 4 लेन है, इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू 8 लेन्स, जो भी एंड इट इज नॉट लाइक इट विल स्टार्ट, ये ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुका है। कभी भी आप मुंबई नासिक हाईवे पे आएंगे तो आपको वो चीज सामने सामने दिखेगी, तो ऑलरेडी वो काम शुरू हो चुका है। मैं अगर प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर की बात करता हूँ तो प्रोजेक्ट से अगर आपको डोंबिवली जाना है तो उसका भी काम शुरू हो चुका है, विच इज MDLR, मानकुली डोंबिवली लिंक रोड। द मोमेंट यू क्रॉस दैट रोड तो ऑलरेडी एक डोंबिवली के ऊपर एक ब्रिज बन रहा है, वहां पे चल रहा है। अगर हम नासिक हाईवे पे ही बात करते हैं तो एक फ्लाईओवर पूरा ऑलरेडी 50% ऑफ द फ्लाईओवर बन चुका है, 50% ऑफ द फ्लाईओवर अगेन काम चल रहा है, विच इज एट मानकुली ब्रिज के ऊपर जो है चल रहा है। रजनोली जो फ्लाईओवर है वो ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो चुका है, अगर आप कल्याण के साइड के थ्रू आप आ रहे हो। ऑलरेडी वी कैन से गवर्नमेंट ने पास कर दिया है महासमृद्धि मार्ग, जो आपको बॉम्बे से लेके नागपुर तक कनेक्ट करेगा, उसका भी काम शुरू होने वाला है। दैट विल बी कंप्लीटेड यू कैन से बाय 2028 और 29। अगर मैं मेट्रो की बात करता हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली मेट्रो 4 तो सबको पता ही है कि पूरा बन रहा है, जो कासराडोली से लेके आपको वडाला तक आपको कनेक्ट करेगा। अगर मैं प्रोजेक्ट के नजदीक में बात करता हूँ तो मेट्रो 5 का काम चल रहा है, विच स्टार्ट्स विद कल्याण APMC एंड इट विल एंड स्टिल कापुर बावड़ी, जो माजीवाड़ा के नियरेस्ट जो जंक्शन है। अगर मैं प्रोजेक्ट से मैं बात करता हूँ तो 4 किलोमीटर अवे है। प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर ही शटल सर्विस रहेगी, जो आपको माजीवाड़ा स्टेशन भी ड्रॉप करेगी, एज वेल एज आपको मेट्रो जो स्टेशन है, नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन अंजुर फाटा, वहां पे भी आपका ड्रॉप हो जाएगा। वाटरवेज में दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज इन लाइन, इट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट वेरी सून, विच इज वसई थाने कल्याण इनलैंड वाटरवेज प्रोजेक्ट। और मैं अगर मैं प्रोजेक्ट की बात करता हूँ, दो इट गोइंग टू टेक सम टाइम, विच इज विरार अलीबाग मल्टी मॉडल कॉरिडोर, which will start from Virar and it will end till Alibag. There are 4 interchange of this project which will be at Mumbai Nasik highway.
Okay, thank you, Hemant. So I think our last portion of this presentation, why buy a home during this lockdown situation. तो जैसे मैंने बताया, हमने ये अपना घर अपना देश जो कैंपेन लॉन्च किया है 15th में। ऑब्वियसली हमने एंटिसिपेट किया है कि लॉकडाउन बॉम्बे में कम्प्लीटली एटलीस्ट 70-80% खुल जाएगा बाय एंड ऑफ बाय एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ, जो जून 30th तक. So our campaign will end on June 30th. Now, why so many people are buying under, this entire concept of Apna Ghar Apna Desh is basically because there are so many benefits that we are offering to a buyer right now and for buying a home under this campaign with Upper Thane. सबसे बड़ा benefit तो ये है कि Upper Thane, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, अपना घर, आपको अपना घर चाहिए, लेकिन अगर कोई अपना घर अभी खरीद रहे हो और उसका पोजेशन 4 या 5 साल के बाद मिल रहा है, तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट, भले वो कितना भी अच्छा ना हो. बट व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से इन अपर थाने इज दैट वी आर ऑलरेडी हमारे 24 टावर जो फेज वन में हमने लॉन्च किए थे ऑलरेडी टॉप आउट हो चुके हैं. सो व्हाट वी आर सेइंग इज दैट हमारा जो पोजेशन है विच इज स्टार्टिंग इन मार्च 2021, विच इज अबाउट 9 months फ्रॉम राइट नाउ, फ्रॉम टुडे. And so if you buy your home right now in Lodha Upper Thane, you get your possession within 9 months. That is number one. Second is आपका जो भी अगर आप अभी जैसे लोन से आप डिसबर्समेंट कराते हो, पेमेंट जो आप लोधा को दोगे आफ्टर 5% ऑफ योर ओन कंट्रीब्यूशन, 75% आपका जो डिसबर्समेंट होगा फ्रॉम बैंक होम लोन, उस पे जो भी प्रीएम आएगा वो लोधा विल टेक द बर्डन ऑफ दैट एंटायर प्रीएमआई. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज वी हैव लॉन्च्ड अ जीरो प्रीएमआई ऑफर टिल ओसी. मतलब जब लोधा ओसी अनाउंस करेगा अगले साल मार्च 2021 में, तब तक जो भी आपका प्रीएमआई आएगा लोन पे वो लोधा बेयर करेगा. सो आपको बर्डन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगेन दिस विल ओनली बी देयर फॉर टिल दिस अपना घर अपना देश कैंपेन एंड्स ऑन 30th of June. Right. Point number 3 is we are not only OC तक तो आपका लोन लोधा भरेगा, but even the stamp duty that you have to pay for registering your home will also be paid by Lodha. So आपका stamp duty भी लोधा पे करेगा, and apart from that you get your PMAY benefits, which is a direct cash benefit transfer from the government. जो मिस्टर मोदी जी ने लॉन्च किया, दैट इज मोर ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट बेनिफिट. आप उसके लिए अगर एलिजिबल हैं तो आपको उसमें एडिशनल PMAY benefit मिलता है directly from the government. Apart from that, the fourth advantage of buying under अपना घर अपना देश campaign is कि आप जब आपका घर जब possession आपको मिल जाएगा, तब से लेके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारा जो फर्स्ट पोजेशन शुरू हो रहा है अप्रैल 2021 में, फ्रॉम अप्रैल 2021 टू जनवरी 2022 आपके होम लोन पे जितना भी आपका जो भी होम लोन आपका परसेंटेज इंटरेस्ट है उसको हम सब्सिडाइज करेंगे अप टू 5.99%. सो व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से इज वी विल गिव यू योर होम लोन एट 5.99%. उसके लिए अगर ज्यादा आपको जानकारी चाहिए तो प्लीज गेट इन टच विथ आवर सेल्स टीम थ्रू PropTiger. तो जस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन यू ब्रीफली, अगर आपका होम लोन अगर आप आज ले रहे हो एट लेट्स से 8%, अगर आपको SBI या HDFC या एक्सिस बैंक कहीं से भी आप होम लोन ले रहे हो एट 7.5 to 8% अभी मार्केट रेट चल रहा है, तो व्हाट वी आर सेइंग इज कि आज से लेके OC तक हम आपका पूरा EMI बेयर करेंगे. OC के बाद, OC से लेके जनवरी 2022 पे आपका जो भी EMI शुरू होगा वो 8% बैंक लोन जो आपका होम लोन होगा उसकी जगह पे हम 5.99% का आपको होम लोन का बेनिफिट पास करेंगे. जो डिफरेंस वैल्यू होगा वो लोधा बेयर करेगा. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग बेनिफिट. मतलब आप पे होम लोन का काफी बर्डन कम हो रहा है and you don't have to be worried at all till January 2022. So these are very very big benefits, and that's why we have sold 1,000 homes in last 1 month, and it's still counting every day. So these are the benefits, and I would like to urge all the customers, अगर आप अपना घर स्काउट कर रहे हैं, I don't think you will find a better location or a better project than Lodha Upper Thane. This is the best time to buy because we have great offers under this campaign, plus we have a special lockdown pricing जो हम आपको अभी देंगे, and once the lockdown is completely open, which is going to be very soon, our lockdown pricing will end and we'll go back to our old pricing. So these are some of the reasons कि आपको अपना घर अभी खरीदना चाहिए, and this is the right time to buy. Talking about the pricing, one bed पे our pricing starts from 45.54 lakhs, which I told you earlier. Two beds में हमारे पास multiple variations हैं. Two bed starts from 56.50 lakhs onwards, and a three bed starts from about 95 to 96 lakhs onwards. So these are various options. वैसे अगर आप हमसे अगर detailed product presentation लेंगे तो we will give you a typology or a unit which will match your budget with the best offer. So thank you so much, Surbhi and everybody else, the PropTiger team and everybody who attended. So this is what we have from Lodha Upper Thane team. If we have any questions, we can take. And also, Surbhi, before we move on to you, we wanted to, since people have taken a time off on Sunday afternoon to come and attend this webinar, I wanted to announce a special offer for all the people who attended the webinar. So we are going to announce only for today and tomorrow, all the people who show their webinar evidence that they attended this webinar and they registered for it, we will give an iPhone 8 64 GB along with every booking for all the PropTiger customers.
Wow.
Over to you, Surbhi. Over to you.
I think Surbhi, there's some technical problem because which Surbhi is not there. I'm sure that she will join us in a while. However, we'll continue with the question and answer session. So Nishitji, the typologies that you were explaining about 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. So you are saying all of them will be available within the 9-month time frame?
That's right. We have possession starting for phase 1. So हमारा जो possession 24 towers का first phase है जिसका हम possession अगले साल शुरू कर रहे हैं, their entire all 24 towers are ready. If you go to the site right now, all the towers are ready. The painting is done. The internal civil work, flooring, plumbing, वो सब काम चल रहा है. हमारा international football ground is already ready. Our international cricket ground with all the stands, this looks like a proper cricket stadium, is also ready. In fact, our sales team has also played a lot of cricket matches, on the stadium. So, and the clubhouse is also, this entire structure is ready. We will deliver the 50,000 square feet of biggest clubhouse by December. So we are going to deliver, start possession. Before that, we are ensuring that आपके जो basic landscaping amenities all will be ready. The temple is also going to be ready in 3 months. All the basic infrastructure, like the 8-lane highway, the Dombivli Mankalili link road, वो सब ready हो जाएगा, and then we start possession from April 2021.
Wow. I think Surbhi has joined.
Yes, Surbhi, over to you.
Yeah. So Mr. Shakti is asking, it's 5 years. Can I expect a good capital appreciation?
So coming to the questions of appreciation, I don't want to show a very rosy picture to our to our buyers. So let me be very frank. Real estate in Mumbai is not like पहले एक जमाना था जब 15 years back आप बोल सकते थे कि आप आज अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी अच्छे डेवलपर के साथ लोगे तो 5 साल में डबल हो जाएगा. 5 साल में डबल नहीं, शायद डबल से भी ज्यादा हो सकता है. But what we are trying to say is that typical appreciation in property today is about 6 to 8% per annum. Although in Upper Thane right now, since we are in the pre-launch, very near to possession stage, Upper Thane mein we are expecting that the appreciation should be much bigger because infrastructure ready हो जाएगा. And I mean जैसे नितिन ने पूछा, we are starting possession in April 2021. So I'll tell you, we are delivering 2,000 homes in phase 1. Those are families are going to take their keys with us in April 2021. Those are लोग keys लेंगे, लोग आके वहाँ पे रहने शुरू करेंगे. Their children will start going to the school, start using all the infrastructure. जब वो दिखने लगेगा, I think the property appreciation, I think I would say, without quoting any specific number, sky will be the limit as far as Upper Thane is concerned.
One of our viewers is asking, what is the booking value as of now, and what will be the refund in case of any problem?
So as far as refund is concerned, we can discuss once we have a more detailed conversation with the customer, once we identify the inventory, everything. But as far as booking value is concerned, that is one more advantage we have under the Apna Ghar, Apna Desh campaign. So for one bed, you have to just pay 1.44 lakh rupees, which can also be split into, two portions. If you are not able to pay it together, we can give you 15 to 20 days time for a one bed, and it is 1.98 lakhs for two bed. So what we are trying to say is आप 1.5 लाख रुपया वन बेड के लिए भर दीजिए, 2 लाख रुपया आप टू बेड के लिए भर दीजिए, बैलेंस स्टैम्प ड्यूटी लोधा पे करेगा, and the rest of the money can come through a bank loan. If you are eligible, the entire sum of money can come through a bank loan. You don't have to take any burden beyond that, and on that bank loan too, Lodha will pay the EMI till OC, so you have absolutely no burden.
Yeah, Surabhi?
I think we lost Surabhi again.
Yeah, there's some technical problem, I think, because of which.
Okay, we'll wait for her to join back.
Yeah, it's okay. Otherwise, we can continue with the question and the
Okay,
answer.
all right, okay.
Nishit. So we will take few additional questions that are there. जो एक सवाल सबसे ज्यादा निशित जी सामने आता है वो अभी जो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है उसके कारण जो थोड़ा सा डिले हुआ है पोजीशन में, बाकी डेवलपर्स की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, या फिर रेरा ने भी कुछ एडिशनल पॉइंट्स अपने दिए हैं कि 6 महीने का एक्सटेंशन मिल सकता है, तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी है इस प्रोजेक्ट में या नहीं, क्योंकि पोजीशन को लेकर सबसे ज्यादा सवाल आते हैं.
Right. So possession being a strong point, Nitin. So we always, talk about possession in Lodha. अगर मैं टेक्निकली पोजीशन देना चाहूँ तो मैं कल भी दे सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे 24 टावर रेडी हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टावर्स आर रेडी, इवन फ्रॉम देयर सिविल वर्क, अंदर से भी पूरा पेंटिंग हो चुका है, प्लम्बिंग, एवरीथिंग. ऑलमोस्ट 70-80% ऑफ माई इन्वेंट्री सोल्ड इज ऑलरेडी. बट मैं पोजीशन इसलिए नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ अभी एट द मोमेंट. आई डोंट वांट टू गिव बिकॉज आई आल्सो वांट टू एंश्योर दैट माय क्लब हाउस इज रेडी, माय स्कूल इज अप एंड रनिंग. बिकॉज अगर मैं पोजीशन दे दूंगा, पीपल विल स्टार्ट शिफ्टिंग, देन दे विल हैव द बेसिक चैलेंजेस ऑफ डेली नीड्स. तो जब तक लोधा ये सब रेडी नहीं करेगा, आई डोंट वांट टू स्टार्ट गिविंग पोजीशन जस्ट टू show that हाँ ठीक है मैंने possession दे दिया. I want to ensure that my 8-lane highway is ready so that people can take 10 minutes from Thane Majhiwara location जो हेमंत ने सब बात की है. So as far as delay is concerned, it does not affect Upper Thane as much. Although government ने अभी एक ruling लाया है with RERA that you can delay possession by 6 months. But Lodha Upper Thane, since we are in a strong position जहाँ में हमारा पूरा project ready है, so our initial possession, lockdown के पहले हमें नहीं पता था lockdown हो जाएगा. So before lockdown, all the customers who have bought in the month of January, February, we have committed a possession of December 2020 this year. but because of the lockdown our construction got completely stalled. मतलब construction हो ही नहीं रहा था last 2-2.5 महीने से. So on a very very extended side we are saying कि हम मार्च में we are taking a gap of about 2.5 months to 3 months, but मार्च में हम पोजीशन मार्च अप्रैल में पोजीशन शुरू कर देंगे.
ओके. निशित जी, एक सवाल और जो एक क्लाइंट पूछ रहे हैं वो ये है कि भाई एक सबसे बड़ा डर आज की डेट में है कि भाई मैं आज फ्लैट लेता हूँ यहाँ पे और पता पड़ा आज से 2 महीने बाद या 2.5 महीने बाद कुछ ऐसा होता है कि इसका रेट कम हो गया या डेवलपर ने कम कर दिया तो मेरा तो नुकसान हो जाएगा. उसके बारे में एनी पॉइंट जो आप बोलना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, जैसे मैंने कहा कि लोधा इज अ वेरी रेप्यूटेड डेवलपर. हम ये सब डिस्ट्रेस सेलिंग और ये सब एक्टिविटीज नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज जैसे मैंने बोला ये 200+ एकर्स का लैंड पार्सल है एंड इट इज एक्चुअली इवेंचुअली ये पूरा सिटी बनने वाला है एंड आवर लैंड पार्सल इज गोइंग टू बी मच बिगर. बट मैं ऑफिशियली अभी बता नहीं सकता हूँ बिकॉज देर आर रेरा फॉर्मेलिटीज टू बी कम्प्लीटेड. बट बिगर लैंड पार्सल्स, पूरा अपर थाने बहुत बड़ा लैंड पार्सल है, अक्वायर भी हो चुका है. बट राइट नाउ 200 एकड़ प्लस भी बोल रहा हूँ तो बहुत बड़ा लैंड पार्सल है और मुझे आगे भी डेवलप करके आगे बेचना भी है. तो इफ आई स्टार्ट डूइंग अफेक्टिंग माय ओन ब्रांड एंड माय ओन रेपुटेशन, मुझे आगे बायर्स मिलेंगे नहीं. So I want to point out to 2 or 3 things that one is Lodha is financially very sound. We are not in this market of distress selling जहाँ पे आज मैं अगर 60 लाख में बेच रहा हूँ तो 2 महीने के बाद मैं 55 लाख पे बेचूंगा because Lodha is financially very very sound और हमारी inventories भी बिक रही हैं. That is number one. We will not get into distress selling. We are not like other small time developers जो who might have got into financial trouble because of this lockdown and etc. and they might start cutting prices. We will not do that. Right. Second point है कि pricing is always a function of demand and supply. जबकि मेरा डिमांड ही इतना कंसिस्टेंट है एंड देयर इज अ वेरी गुड डिमांड फॉर अपर थाने, देयर इज नो रीजन फॉर मी टू ड्रॉप प्राइसिंग एट ऑल. मेरा प्रोजेक्ट तो ऐसा है नहीं जहाँ पे मेरा इन्वेंट्रीज बिक नहीं रहा है एंड आई एम इन अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग. My situation right now is that 85-90% of my inventories, in fact 2 beds तो मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है आज phase 1 में. I am almost my सब मिला के 2 beds में मेरे पास 15-20 इन्वेंट्री है. तो अगर मेरा डिमांड इतना ज्यादा है और मेरी सप्लाई जब मेरी ऑलरेडी 3000 घर हम रजिस्टर कर चुके हैं, बेच चुके हैं, आई डोंट सी एनी रीजन व्हाई आई शुड ड्रॉप प्राइसिंग. बट जस्ट टू इंश्योर दैट आई गिव द अश्योरेंस टू ऑल द पीपल हु आर ऑन दिस वेबिनार, वी सिंस द लॉकडाउन, ये जो सवाल आपने अभी पूछा है बहुत ही वैलिड है क्योंकि ये सवाल बहुत लोगों ने हमें पूछा है अप्रैल और मई और जून में. ऑल द ट्रांजैक्शंस वी हैव डन, we have come out with this concept of price assurance or price insurance. So जैसे आप अगर आप हमारे साथ ट्रांजैक्शन करते हो, the price that we agree on, and if you tell us, if we drop the pricing, which is not going to happen, but just to give the assurance to our buyers कि अगर 2 महीने के बाद आप बोलते हैं कि चलो लोधा ने 50,000 रुपये प्राइस गिरा दिया, we will take the responsibility of price, giving you the price benefit if at all it happens. But ये होने वाला नहीं है. But just to give you that comfort level, we will give you price assurance and price insurance.
Great.
We are receiving a lot of queries from our viewers. Unfortunately, we are running out of time. But don't worry, our team will reach out to you shortly. Now, I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting with Mr. Nirani.
So I think great. I think we are since last 2 or 3 weeks we have done a lot of webinars, for Upper Thane. But I think this has been one of the well-attended ones and very well organized. The team Prop Tiger, Surbi, Nitin, thank you for your team and making this a grand success. I'm sure we are seeing a lot of customers who are showing interest in the webinar, and they will come and speak to us, and hopefully we will have a great sale result out of this webinar. If there are any questions or any help required, from your side or from any of our buyers or from any of our potential customers, our team is available. So please get in touch with our sales team. Thank you.
Mr. Gautam.
Thank you everybody for attending the webinar. मुझे मालूम है काफी questions होंगे जो हम लोग आंसर नहीं कर पाए हैं. तो जो प्रॉप टाइगर के रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर्स हैं, जो हमारी टीम है, वो इमीडिएटली इस वेबिनार के बाद आपको कॉल करेगी. अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, डाउट है, क्वेरी है, आप प्लीज़ हमें बताइए और हम लोग आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. लोधा सेल्स टीम के साथ आपका वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस कराने में, so that we can answer all your questions. Thank you.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel
Thank
free
you.
to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.